Hi, welcome everyone to another maths lesson. The lesson we're going to do today is solving multi-steps inequalities. Okay? Learning objectives. Our first learning objective is how to solve multi-steps linear inequality. So we need more than one step to solve it. So let us start it. Let us start with some examples first. The first example says 2x plus 3 is less than 9. So I got a number which is x. I times it by 2 and then I add 3. My answer is less than 9. Since the last thing I done was add 3, I'm going to use inverse of addition, which is take away. Okay? So 2x is less than 9 minus 3. 2x is less than 6. X is less than 6 divided by 2. X is less than 3. This is how we solve it, exactly the same way as we have learned when we are solving linear equations. I'm thinking of a number which is x. I divide by 2. I take away 3. My answer is more than 5. Take away 3. So I'm going to add 3 to the other side. Okay, so we're going to do x divided by 2 is more than 5 plus 3. Then we got x plus 2 divided by 2 is more than 8. Divided by 2, so we need to times it. X is more than 8 plus 2. X is more than 16. We got here one more, which says 2x, 2, open a bracket, x minus 4 is more than or equal to 6. First thing first, we need to expand the bracket, so let's do that first. Expanding this bracket simply means 2x, 2 times x, minus 8 is more than or equal to 6. Take 8 to the other side and add it. So we got 2x is more than or equal to 6 plus 8. That gives you 2x is more than 14. And finally, x is more than 14 divided by 2. X is more than 7. So this is how you solve it. Nothing new. It's exactly the same way as we have seen when we're doing linear equations. Now, I got here 3 questions for you to try. You can stop the video and try them. Fine, I think you have tried, so let's do it together. I'm thinking of a number x. I times the number by 5. I take away 2. My answer is less than or equal to 8. Take away 2. So we need to add 2 to the other side. So 5x is less or equal to 8 plus 2. 5x is less or equal to 10. X is less or equal to 10 divided by 2. X is less or equal to 5. Here, I'm thinking of a number, that's x. I add 3, I divide by 2, my answer is more than 5, divided by 2. So we need to start with times, inverse of division. So we keep x plus 3 is more than 5 times 2. X plus 3 is more than 10. And finally, x is more than 10. Take away 3. That gives you x is more than 7. That's what you need to have it. But here we got a long inequality. But let's do step by step. So first thing first, let's expand the brackets to start with. That gives you 5x minus 10 is less or equal to 3x plus 2. Now we got inequalities with unknown on both sides, so we got variable on both sides. Which one is more, 5x or 3x? 5x is more. So let's get 3x to where we go most. That's 5x. Take away 3x is less or equal to 2 plus 10. So number is one side and variable one side. 5x take away 3x, that's 2x is less or equal to 12. And finally, you divide by 2, so 12 divided by 2. And that gives you x is less than or equal to 6. Okay? So this is how you do it. Okay, you do step by step. Use the inverse operation concept. You solve it exactly the same way as we have solved the linear equations. We have got at least 5 lessons which are dealing with linear equations. So please revise them. One lesson was 1-step linear equations, 2-step linear equations, linear equations with brackets, and linear equations with unknown on both sides. So please go back and revise them, and whatever you have learned from there is going to help you to solve linear inequalities. Thank you for watching. There's a worksheet that goes with this lesson. Make sure that you complete that worksheet, and see you in another interesting lesson.